it. Because those are still tight on there. So I think it's going to be a bearing that's a problem. Wow, that's pretty bad. Something tells me alrighty, looks like I'm going to have to do some more work than I expected.
Yeah.
There. Your car has a wobbly tire. Here's one reason why. What's that one soap? Oh,
Hey, come outside. Alright, bye.